Hello and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Fuma Isahimi bin Muhammad Rosdi, and I'm currently pursuing a bachelor degree in Sports Management Enhanced at University Technology Mara UiTM Perlis Branch, and I hold a diploma in Sport Management with a CGPA of 3.47, and now I'm continuing my studies with a CGPA 3.58. Throughout my academic journey, I have taken various leadership roles, including serving as the president of the Student Sports Committee and ESCO of the Student Representative Council. This role have not only strengthened my leadership and organization skill, but also deepened my passion of sport development and event coordination. I'm truly passionate about sports, not just only as an athlete, but also in understanding and managing what happened behind the scene. From my internship at Majlis Sukan Negeri Kedah to participating in state and international sports events, I have gained practical experience organizing programs, supporting athletes, and contributing to the success of multiple initiatives. I am excited about the opportunity to be a part of the Malaysian Sport Alliance, and where I can apply my skill, contribute to athlete development, and help create meaningful sports experience. Right now, I want to share what inspired me to pursue a career in sports. That's come from a lifelong involvement in athletes and leadership in university sports activity. As someone who has represented UiTM in long ball sports, winning silvers and bronze in charisma, and received awards like the best athlete and excellent sports leadership, I have experienced firsthand how sports can shape the discipline, teamwork, and grow people. This experience motivated me to understand the management side of sports, where I can help create opportunities for others and contribute to the broader development of athlete program. Next, how I can motivate the underperforming athletes and participants in sports program. That I believe motivation starts with understanding. Okay, I would like to identify first the root cause of the underperformance, whether it's mental, physical, and emotional. Then I have worked on setting small achievable goals, providing consistent encouragement, and recognize improvement along the way. During my leadership role as president of the Student Sports Committee, I often use peer support and team building. Team building activities to apply moral, learn that personal attention, trust, and creating a positive team environment can really help athletes rediscover their confidence and drive. Next, I want to share the example of my experience, how I have managed or contribute to be success of a sports event. One of my proudest contribution was during my internship at Majlis Sukan Negeri Kedah, where I was actively involved in organizing multiple sports-based events. I assist in handling logistic, documentation, and coordination with participants and officials. Additionally, as president, I play a leading role in managing internal tournament and students' involvement in inter-varsity games. This role taught me how to manage time, coordinate resources, and lead team effectively, which directly contribute to the smooth execution and success of those events. In conclusion, I am truly passionate about contributing to the growth and development of sport through the roles of sport program coordinator at Malaysian Sport Alliance. With my academic background in sport management, leadership experience, and active involvement in various sporting events, I believe I am well prepared to add value to your organization. This opportunity not only aligns with my career goals, but also gives me the chance to grow and learn within a field I'm deeply committed to. Thank you once again for considering my applications. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team. Thank you.